Okay, so today I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about what's going on with the Grand Wagoneer. So the car was dropped off at the dealership yesterday. Wagoneer customer service was great. They had a Wagoneer that was supposed to be there for me to have as a rental. And of course, that's through Enterprise Rent-A-Car. And Enterprise did not receive the vehicle. So then I was told I was going to have it by, last night. And so we're now middle of day 2, and I am driving a Nissan Rogue. So here's kind of what I'm in compared to a Wagoneer, which, hey, it's a car I'm getting around, but, obviously the promise was a lot different than, kind of a base model Nissan Rogue of all things. So at any rate, I will say this: I had a good conversation with the people at Jeep back in Michigan about the problems that I'm having with the vehicle. They have a factory rep here on site, and it sounds like they have technicians that are going to be coming in to try to figure out what's going on. So on that side, things feel a lot better. But, obviously I would rather not be using this benefit with a loaner car, an appropriate loaner car, which I don't know how appropriate I would call this compared to the vehicle I purchased. But at least it's got 4 wheels and it's getting me where I need to go. It was really fun taking my wife out for a really nice Valentine's Day dinner in this last night. But my wife is awesome. She didn't care. It was probably more a blow to my ego than anything, right? But again, it's the reason we buy these cars isn't so we get to take advantage of a VIP loaner. We buy these cars so we don't have to experience issues with it and go through this sort of stuff. So at any rate, figured at this point I probably should put my face on the screen since you've been hearing my voice and all that. So I'll keep everybody posted.